Sikhala hires private investigators after house bombing. The 12th of September 2025, by Tetenda Kanaka, Newsday, Chitungwiza, former Zengeza West legislator Job Sikhala, says he has engaged private investigators to unmask those behind the August 30th bombing of his house in Chitungwiza, vowing that the attack will not deter his political mission. Speaking after returning from South Africa, where he was launching his autobiography, Sikhala described the bombing as a primitive and archaic tactic that had instead re-energized his resolve. "It won't work on me. I will not be silenced. I am a man on a mission," Sikhala said. "I am fighting for a Zimbabwe where everyone enjoys freedom. I will not be intimidated by this old-fashioned tactic." Sikhala expressed concern for his family's safety, stressing that the attackers targeted his home, knowing both he and his wife were away. "I am concerned about the excessive insanity in my enemies' heads, going as far as harming innocent children because of political differences," he said. The former MP criticized the Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, for failing to engage him since his return last Friday, despite visiting his property 3 times in his absence. "Up to now, we have never been updated. They have not even issued a statement, but they rush if it was other people. Soon the truth will come out. This terrorist attack won't remain hidden forever." Now serving as chairperson of the National Democratic Working Group, NDWG, Sikhala vowed to remain the voice of the voiceless, saying his current work tackles Zimbabwe's deepening crisis. "I am not an opportunistic politician who wants benefits. I will always fight for justice and defend the weak and oppressed. The question of my political future will be decided when the time comes," he said. Sikhala emphasized that addressing Zimbabwe's socio-political challenges was more urgent than preparing for elections. "Dealing with the current crisis is our top priority, before we even think about elections, which are still far,"